What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be rebuilding this Littlestown number 25 11-pound 3.5-inch vise with maximum operation jaw open of 5 inches. I've already done the restoration work on this. I don't usually do videos on those. I might start doing them. I don't know. It's a lot of work, it's painstaking, and quite frankly it's boring. I mean, who wants to watch a guy actually restore them? I don't know. If you actually want to start seeing videos of the actual restoration work, let me know in the comments below. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, everything else. And without further ado, I will be rebuilding this vise. It's already been stripped, painted, polished, and now this video is just the rebuild to show you it actually functions and how it's put back together. This particular vise, all of the Littlestown models I've done have a cotter pin to move the jaw back. 9 times out of 10 with the Craftsmans and Colombians and other ones I've done, they use an E-clip, but it's the same thing. You need some kind of retaining clip or pin or something to put into the lead screw so that when you unscrew it, it pulls the whole jaw back. Otherwise, you're just unscrewing the lead screw and the jaw will stay. So here we go. I'll show you a little bit of a close-up of the bar. This thing was pretty pitted, so I didn't really do a full polish on it because time and labor. So didn't want to do that, but I did put a very nice mirror polish on the jaws and the sides. Did okay on the inside of the jaws. You can see still has the original cross hatching, very nice condition. But the bar, why don't I polish it? Well, I mean, you're not really going to see this thing. Half of it's going to be inside the body of the vise. So yeah, that's why I don't polish it. I probably spend just as much time, if not more, polishing these bars than the jaws. So if you've polished metal before, you understand the pain that I'm going through. If you're not a metal polisher, I suggest watching some videos and seeing the process. You'll understand why I don't spend the time to polish these things. All right, so here we go. I did polish the lead screw bar because this was not in too bad of a shape, but these are worth spending the extra few minutes for me to polish because it's really not that bad. Same with the swivel handle. I gave that a little polish as well. Washer and then the pin. Since some people are going to be like, oh, why didn't you show that? Well, you're not really missing much. I just put the washer on. I'll put the pin through the hole. And yeah. And there you go. Alright, next I attached the body to the base. Next I grab a little bit of grease, just a dab, put it onto the body housing. Very smooth operation. I use 4 coats of hunter green paint and a gold paint pen. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you.